Opposition to British rule in Karnataka. This is a very important lesson from history part because 3 marks and 4 marks questions usually picked up from this lesson in board examination. In this video, I am going to tell you some of the very important aspects from this lesson, opposition to British rule in Karnataka. So, let's start. Which are those important aspects? The first one, results of Third Anglo-Mysore War. Many times asked this question, results of Third Anglo-Mysore War. First one, what happened after the end of Third Anglo-Mysore War? Tippu Sultan was forced to part with half of his kingdom. He was forced to pay 3 crore rupees. He had to pledge children as a guarantee against payment. Forced to release the prisoners of war. British withdrew combined army from Srirangapattanam. Those are all the results of Third Anglo-Mysore War. So next one, very expected concept from this lesson, that is about Rani Chennamma. You know that well about Rani Chennamma. The rebellion led by Rani Chennamma against British is because of the policy of Britishers, that is the doctrine of lapse. Kitturu. Rani Chennamma, she is from Kitturu. Kitturu lies between Dharwad and Belgaum. Chennamma took administration after the death of Malla Sarja. Shivalinga Rudra Sarja, the elder son, came to the throne after the death of Malla Sarja. British entered an agreement with Kittur to collect payment during Thomas Munro. After the death of her son, Chennamma adopted Shivalingappa as adopted son and ruled Kitturu. Thackeray was British tax collector of Dharwad, reported this incident to Bombay and take over Kittur. As a result, Queen of Kittur had to face war against Britishers, in which the tax collector Thackeray was shot dead. Under the leadership of Colonel Deak, made attempt to capture Kittur. Chennamma was imprisoned at Bailahangal fort and passed away in prison. Next concept about Puttabasappa. I think students, Amarasulya rebellion. During Amarasulya rebellion, the role of Puttabasappa is really remarkable. Sulya, Bellare, Putturu, all these major places of Kannada region and part of then Amarasulya. Puttabasappa took leadership of rebellion in this Kannada region, presenting himself as Swami Aparampura, because already Swami Aparampura was dead. He declared tax on tobacco and salt should be withdrawn. There was tax on tobacco and salt that should be withdrawn by the British. That was his demand. He killed Amaldar, who was known for brutality. The mob looted treasury of Bantwal and Mangalore. British captured him with the help of army of Talacheri, Kannur, Bombay and Kodagu people. Lakshmappa, Bangarasa, Ramaya, Gaddemane, Appaya were all captured and hanged. Next concept, that is Dhondia Walk. Dhondia Walk birth took place in Channagiri, who was belongs to Maratha family. He was very famous as Wagh, the tiger. His career was a cavalry soldier in Hyder Ali army. He built small army after 4th Anglo-Mysore War, organized soldiers who were unhappy with Tipu Sultan. He attacked Shimoga, Honnali, Harihara, Chitradurga, Saunuru, Kitturu and Londa. Lord Wellesley decided to end his adventures and was killed at Konagal. This is all we have discussed. Very important concepts from this lesson.